really engaging and exciting summer programs this year that's new is called the Anatomy of a Roller Coaster. And so those students are learning the mechanics and physics and engineering behind roller coasters. And they are designing their own coasters. They're simulating riding each other's roller coasters. And we've partnered with Busch Gardens this year.
It's been pretty good, like how we get to 3D print and build our own coasters, to know about how to get it up to the point where we have now to go to a Steam game, try to build our own coaster, and it's really realistic to know. So you gotta get all the right spots, because if one mess up can make the whole thing fall apart.
Right now what I'm learning about more is about how mechanical engineering goes, especially with math and physics, because those are my favorite things to do, mostly physics. Right now it's meeting my expectations for mechanical engineering because I was planning to go to UF for mechanical engineering.
For me, this reinforces the belief that young people need experiences to be able to grow. And I think what's important is making sure our opportunity youth are attached to these experiences so they can understand career pathways. Also, so they can develop the meaningful connections in the industries that are going to help them thrive and grow.
It's incredibly important for our local youth, high school youth especially, to have the opportunity to be exposed to careers that keep them in the region, that contribute to our region's economic development, and lead them to high-wage, high-demand occupations.
We want them to be able to see and visualize themselves in this environment in a place like USF. So they understand it's not for others, it's also for them. I truly believe that we're empowering young people to embrace STEM careers, and we're empowering the next generation to be more informed about what opportunities there are for them and career pathways that are out there for them to ladder.